Alexa, dim the lights.
Okay.
Oh, no. Dad, I need your help.
What have you done?
Burnt the duck.
That's a duck? What do you have in that cabinet?
Some spaghetti.
Okay, chop up some garlic.
Alexa, ask Tempo Chef set probe 1 to 180 degrees.
Okay. Alert on probe 1 is set up to 180 degrees.
Alexa, ask Tempo Chef to check the cooking temperature.
Beef steak 73.4 degrees. Beef roast 74.4 degrees. Whole chicken 74.4 degrees. Pork chops 74.1 degrees.
Alexa, ask Tempo Chef set timer to 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay, let's set this timer on Tempo Chef.
Alexa, ask Tempo Chef cancel the timer.
Okay, let's stop the timer on Tempo. Some spaghetti.
Okay, chop up some garlic. Your mom cooked up for me once.
Did she burn it?
Of course she did.
Of course she did.
Now it's beautiful. There you go.